Hey everyone, I'm Dawn, and I am so excited to introduce Tech Savvy Creative. Tech Savvy Creative is an online resource for creatives of all types. Regardless if you're a photographer, wedding planner, florist, or another type of small business owner, this is for you. My mission at Tech Savvy Creative is to provide you with an environment to encourage you and build your confidence around the technology that you use in your business. As a small business owner, we encounter technology every single day, whether that's software, systems, tools, hardware, or even your website. All of those things can be really overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with them. There's no question too small. You too, my friend, can be a tech-savvy creative.